Do you often feel like life is pulling you in many directions at once? Whether it's work pressure, family responsibilities, or just the everyday chaos we all experience, staying calm can feel like a challenge. But what if I told you that staying calm, even when everything around you feels like it's spiraling, is a skill you can learn and master? In today's video, we're diving into 8 powerful practices that will help you stay mentally balanced and calm, no matter what life throws your way. Ready to take control? Let's get started. 1. Deep breathing exercises. One of the quickest ways to regain your calm is by focusing on your breath. Deep breathing helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and relaxation. Try the 4-7-8 method. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, and exhale through your mouth for 8 counts. Repeat this for a few rounds, and you'll feel an immediate reduction in tension. Deep breathing works by slowing your heart rate and lowering blood pressure, which helps you regain a sense of control. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a fantastic tool for releasing physical tension, which is often the root of mental stress. Start by tensing the muscles in your toes for 5 seconds, then slowly relax them. Work your way up through your body, legs, abdomen, arms, and so on. As you release each muscle group, you'll notice your mind begins to quiet as well. This technique is especially helpful for those who hold tension in their bodies without realizing it, making it a simple but effective practice to calm both mind and body. 3. Mindful meditation. Mindful meditation is an excellent practice for staying present and centered. Set aside just 5 to 10 minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. As thoughts come and go, gently guide your attention back to your breathing. This helps you detach from the constant stream of thoughts and emotions that can overwhelm you. With regular practice, mindfulness will help you develop a greater sense of clarity and control over your emotions, even in stressful moments. 4. Visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool to bring calm to your mind. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and picture yourself in a peaceful place. A beach, a quiet forest, or any place that makes you feel relaxed. Focus on the sights, sounds, and smells of this place, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the experience. Visualization works by creating a mental escape, helping you detach from stress and reframe your mindset. It's a simple but effective practice for building emotional resilience. 5. Slow living. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the rush, but practicing slow living can help you stay calm. Take small moments throughout your day to slow down and be present. For example, when you wake up, spend a few minutes in bed, just listening to the sounds around you before starting your day. Drinking your tea slowly and savoring each sip is another way to practice slow living. By incorporating these small moments of mindfulness into your routine, you'll reduce stress and create a sense of calm. 6. Physical activity. Exercise is not only good for your body, but it's great for your mind too. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or any form of physical movement, exercise releases endorphins, which help reduce stress and improve mood. It's a fantastic way to clear your head and refocus. Even a short 20-minute workout can help improve mental clarity and emotional balance, so make physical activity a part of your daily routine. Your mind and body will thank you for it. 7. Create a calming environment. Your surroundings play a significant role in your mental state. A cluttered, chaotic environment can contribute to stress and overwhelm. Take some time each day to create a space that promotes calm. This could mean decluttering your desk, adding calming elements like plants, or playing soft music in the background. Lighting also plays a role. Dim, soft lighting can help you relax. By curating a peaceful space, you're creating a mental environment that supports calmness and clarity. 8. Practice self-compassion. Being kind to yourself is a crucial part of staying mentally balanced. Often, we're our own harshest critics, which only adds to our stress. Practicing self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. If you make a mistake, instead of berating yourself, acknowledge it and move forward. Self-compassion helps you stay calm in the face of challenges and reduces the pressure you place on yourself, leading to improved mental resilience. Staying calm in today's world isn't always easy, but it is a skill you can develop with practice. By incorporating these 8 techniques into your daily life, you'll create a foundation of mental clarity and emotional balance. Remember, it's not about avoiding stress entirely, but about learning how to manage and respond to it in a healthy way. Start small, and as you practice, you'll notice how much more centered and calm you become. If you enjoyed this video, let me know which technique you're going to try first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mindfulness and mental well-being. Share this video with someone who could use a little extra calm in their life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.